How to expedite your case. Free discretionary option. If you have urgent or exceptional circumstances, you can ask the USCIS for a free discretionary-based expedited processing of your case. It means that the USCIS will process your case ahead of others who filed before you and will issue a decision a lot faster, sometimes in a matter of days. To qualify for this expedited processing, you must show one or more of the following circumstances: severe financial loss to you or your company, provided that the need for urgent action is not the result of your failure to timely file the case or timely respond to any requests for additional evidence, emergencies and urgent humanitarian reasons, and a clear USCIS error. But not every circumstance that fits in one of these categories will result in expedited processing. The free expedited process is not a guarantee. It is a rare exception. Nonprofit organizations and U.S. government agencies are also eligible for discretionary expedited processing if they show urgent circumstances. You can make this request once you file your case and it was accepted for processing, because you will need your receipt number. You can find it on Form I-797C type receipt notice. The USCIS sends you the receipt notice for each form you filed. Once you have your case number, you can call the USCIS and make a request over the phone, or you can use the Ask Emma chat on the USCIS website. The USCIS may ask you to send additional documents supporting your request. If the USCIS finds your circumstances exceptional to process your case faster, you will receive a decision on your case shortly. If the USCIS denies your expedited request, your case will be processed in the order it was filed. The expedited request itself will not increase or decrease the likelihood of success for your case. Your case can also be eligible for a paid guaranteed expedited review, which is called premium processing. Watch our video to learn how to request premium processing of your case. You can find the link to it in the description below. We cover more immigration questions in other videos. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more immigration videos. If you found this video helpful, please like it. If you need help from an attorney, you can request a consultation on our website. Thank you for watching.